Ikea set a release date on April 1 for its aggressive-priced smart blinds in the United States. If you've never heard of the intelligent shades controlled by internet-controlled automation, it's probably because most smart blinds cost between $300 and $500. However, Ikea's official prices in the United States, they have not yet been announced. Ikea also promises that its next smart blinds will be included with a remote control and a rechargeable battery pack, as well as support for the control and integration of Alexa, HomeKit and Google Assistant. That's all I ever wanted about smart blinds, really. Ikea also integrated its Trådfri intelligent lights and smart plugs with their blinds, which will work with the same application and can communicate with air tones to dim or illuminate the lights, depending on the time of day. Smart blinds will even support Ikea's Vidga curtain rail series, so if you already have Ikea curtains, there's a chance you're already on the path to using Ikea's smart blinds.